widespread irregularities, including tempered exam results under Madhya Pradesh's top state-run medical university that controls around 300 colleges, have emerged in a report that was commissioned by the government in what could perhaps be the biggest scandal of its kind since the 2013 Vyapam scam. After a complaint that some students who did not appear for tests in the past few years were declared to have passed, an inquiry was ordered. Now, a copy of the report accessed exclusively by NDTV shows that a private company responsible for making the mark sheets held onto them instead of transferring them to the confidential branch of the university, thereby raising the possibility of tampering with them. Now, there have been serious irregularities from preparing question papers to checking and re-evaluation of answer sheets and issuing of the mark sheets. The report also found that though the company's server in the confidential room of the university, but the database was not even after officials demanded, the database was not available even after officials demanded it. The private firm MindLogic's Infratech has denied any wrongdoing.
जांच कमेटी ने साफ पाया है कि छात्रों को पास फेल करके पैसा कमाया गया। जांच कमेटी ने ये देखा है कि माइंडलॉजिक कंपनी ने ज़्यादा पैसा विश्वविद्यालय से लिया, राजस्व का नुकसान किया। जांच कमेटी ने पाया है कि यहाँ के लोग भी भ्रष्ट तंत्र में डूबे हुए थे। जांच कमेटी ने पाया है कि यहाँ जो नियुक्ति हुई थी 11 लोग की, वो भी फर्जी तरीके से हुई थी। और इस सब मामले की रिपोर्ट आने के बाद ये था कि FIR होगी, पुलिस कार्रवाई करेगी, पर हम सारे महकमे में गए, पर आज तक कोई कार्रवाई नहीं हुई है।
जब सब पक्षों की सब बातें सुन लूँगा तब बताऊँगा। और आप जो पूछ रहे हैं कि एक्शन क्या लिया है, तो ऐसा है कि कंपनी कोर्ट में चली गई है, तो हम लोगों ने अभी तुरंत में कोर्ट में विश्वविद्यालय की तरफ से वकील वगैरह नियुक्त कर दिए हैं, जो कि वो करेंगे और माननीय न्यायालय इस बारे में संज्ञान लेगा पूरा।
Anurag Dwari joins us with the very latest. Anurag, what more can you tell us about this? It does appear that there are 300 medical colleges that actually come under this particular board, and the documents that you've been able to exclusively access point to the fact that all these report cards essentially have been tampered with.
Yes, the Madhya Pradesh Ayurvigyan Vishwavidyalaya, which is Medical Science University, Jabalpur, is the governing body of all the medical colleges that teaches medicine, dental, nursing, paramedical, Ayurveda, homeopathy, Unani and yoga in Madhya Pradesh, with approximately 300 colleges, and the university takes in around 80,000 students in any given year. The complaint was filed by an RTI activist, Akhilesh Tripathi, last year that some students who did not appear for tests in the past few years were declared to have passed. Though after we reported, Medical Education Minister has said that he already ordered an inquiry in May this year. And we have also accessed that particular report by the 3-member inquiry committee, which also, says that the private company and the officials responsible for making the mark sheets held onto them instead of transferring them to the confidential branch of the university, thereby raising the possibility of tampering. And as per the investigation, there have been serious irregularities from preparing question papers to checking and re-evaluation of the answer sheets and issuing the mark sheet. Though the company has clearly said they were outsourced the work of delivering question papers to private and government medical colleges under the university, but they have denied all wrongdoing, and they have said that we are managing the examination work from July 2018, and in last few months we were subjected to various kinds of harassment by one of the officials of the university for vested interests. There was a lot of pressure on us by the said official to compromise the sanctity of the exams, which we refused to oblige, and now the matter is in the High Court, and we are hopeful that the judgment will come in favor of us. These are the two versions from the company and the university sides. Meanwhile, the Medical Education Minister has said that I have ordered an inquiry, and we have to ensure that there are no discrepancies in the examination process, and those who are guilty will not be spared.